Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors from your device. And I know see a one and only Atafa the Press. And I know some a few things to talk about today, Yes, man, but me go kick it off with Chang, with the one Horace Chang him. Because Horace Chang come out and I tell pure lie, and I feel like me need to address it. Dr. Chang says 24% drop in murders follows police force reaching full establishment. Wanna hear that? Horace Chang come out and say 24% drop in murders. Who believe this, man? Who believe them? National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says a 24% fall in murders has followed the police force reaching full establishment. Dr. Chang was making his contribution to the sectoral debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. Dr. Chang says the current administration has made great strides. Wanna hear that, my viewers and subscribers? Who believe this, man? Look how much crime happen each and every day. Look how much people are dead each and every day. And them really come out and a trick we and I tell we say crime drop 24%. It is a lie. I do not agree with this. Them just come up with that and I say 24%. No, go so. No, go so, my wisdom warriors. No, drop no 24%. Wanna stop do that every time wanna come out and tell lie. Wanna stop it. That's all wanna do, wanna lie. Stop tell lie. Look how much crime is happening. Look how much crime and violence are going in our country. And wanna really come out with this stupidness. Wanna think that people are idiot? My wisdom warriors, talk truth. Who really believe this? I want to put it in the comment section. Come on, hear phone views on this. Want to really believe this? How many times me come out and read out how much people kill in a Jamaica? How much time me come out? And even when me come out, I just 3 or 4 me read out for the day. Me not read out everything. Plus, people will get killed when not even reported. They don't even come in the paper. Because I see people get killed and they don't come in the paper none at all. My wisdom warriors. So me not understand what kind of game them a play at. Same thing with Edmund Bartlett. He lied to the Jamaican people and said the travel tourism never affected negatively. And him knows that was a lie. The tourism was affected. It was affected. But when him come out and said the tourism never get affected negatively, it was all a lie. Because when them do the research, them find out say it was affected, everybody have problem. So all the whole of the hotel them a complain. How the airline them a complain and uno not complain. No sir, that's why me say I must tourists them in a Jamaica him attack. I couldn't the tourists them abroad. Seriously. And then you have Horace Chang doing the same thing, my wisdom warriors. Horace Chang come out and keep doing and I say, this is done, crime is done. Crime is not done. What I need to do is come up with a crime plan. Where is the crime plan at? And that the man they want to fix up for become commissioner. That the man they not do nothing. Me not say him do nothing. Me I listen to him ideas. He not have no idea. When him come out and talk, he come like I want to tell him if say come and say. To home I see it. Me not see him do nothing. Me not see no changes. Him not even say, all right, make him come up with a crime plan. Nothing. You don't have no ideas. No, anyway, you can't have ideas because Andrew only say him a baby father for ideas. So you don't know what that means. Only baby father ideas alone him have. You don't have no ideas for the Jamaican people. Seriously, for the country, no ideas. Stop telling lies. Horace Chang, don't do that. We see the crime where going. And a whole heap of people dead in our communities where we know about and they not coming at the article either. You know, coming at the article. You understand me? You don't know this. You don't show everything. You don't show the world everything. You don't think people are fool. You don't think people are fool. Hey, me know what going on, Una no think say me no know what go on. Me know what go on. Una fi stop it. Stop trick. Una just do this because una want look good. Una fi stop it, man. A full time now, man. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think about that and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs, Marin Mal Fort, is dismissing as untrue a claim that she withheld a document from members of the Constitutional Reform Committee, the CRC, outlining concerns raised by the opposition leader, Mark Golding. The claim was made in a statement issued by Mr. Golding early on Tuesday morning. Mr. Golding says Minister Mal Fort submitted the report from the CRC directly to Cabinet and in doing denied the committee members the opportunity to review and address the serious and legitimate concerns raised by the opposition. But Minister Mal Fort says the opposition leader's statement is false. Marin Mal, you need to stop it. You need to stop it because you are tell lie. You need to stop it. Uno to stop it. You understand? Just because. Listen, Mark Golding never do anything wrong, you know. Mark Golding say, if uno go remove the monarchy, remove the Privy Council too, why uno want still hold on pan the British? At that Mark Golding say. Mark Golding have no problem. Mark Golding have no problem, you know. Mark Golding want Jamaica to be republic too. But if Jamaica are going to be republic, uno fi remove from the Privy Council, uno still want hang on. Uno stay some man. Why Andrew Holness want hang on? Why Andrew Holness want hang on? For what reason? Why don't bring it? Why don't think about the children's future and bring it to the final appellate of court? And that's what I need to do. So Marin Mal, the people they not tell no lie. And just because of shame and embarrassed. That's why you bring it straight up, you submit it straight over to the cabinet. That's what he said. You understand? Why them a tell lie? They not tell no lie. They say it wasn't reviewed. Well, maybe you make some of the members them look pan it. But you never make them the members they look pan it. You understand? So when you come, if you come straight, you don't need to stop it, you know, labor right man. You don't need to stop it. And who go believe, you know? People like you know? People fi believe, you know? We break law. We break the constitutional law. What the hell? What you not take people for? You Marin Mal, you need to stop it, you know? You need to stop it. You need to stop it, you know? Uno too wicked, man. Uno too wicked. And I can't talk about it is untrue. The people they not tell no lie. The man not tell no lie. Uno fi stop it. You see, uno labor right the way you uno move. You see the way you uno move, I do not like it. Just because you girl, you want Andrew Holness to be president, so you can be assistant, you can assist him. You that you are work fine now. Sitting you work fine now. You not work for nothing else. You want to be Andrew Holness assistant when he turn president. That's why you work so hard. And I hear some platform talking and telling lies. Uno labor right platform. Uno need to stop it now. Uno need to stop it. Mark Golding don't have a problem if Jamaica is going to be a republic. What he said, not no 1 foot in and 1 foot out. If we're not going to remove the monarchy and remove the Privy Council at the same time, why you don't want hang on upon the Privy Council and then at later date? Andrew Holness not going to change nothing at no later date. Because Andrew Holness, he is part of the Privy Council. Why you not talk about that? So the reason why Andrew Holness a hold on upon the Privy Council is because he's a part of it. Uno idiot labor right. Whether upon the platform. Why you not talk about that? You come and spread propaganda upon Mark Golding. You drunk, you for stop it. You for stop it, man. A full time now. You for stop that. What the hell? Me can't be, if my viewers and subscribers, when I hear the people them, I tell some lie and I say the reason why Mark Golding, listen, they not talk, you know. They not talk truth, you know. Mark Golding say for a long time, last year September, Mark Golding say no republic if there's no CCJ. At that Mark Golding say no republic if the Privy Council now go remove from them to the CCJ to the Caribbean one. At that Mark Golding say. And then the people them up on the platform not talking truth what Mark Golding say. Then just attack one-sided. You understand me? And then turn around and talk about the reason why Mark Golding don't want to remove from British is because I'm people them. Wanna stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. Andrew Holness no want remove from them. Andrew Holness and a British. Andrew Holness no want remove from them. Wanna stop it, man. Wanna come out and confuse the people them. Uno people, uno need, me not talk my wisdom warriors. My wisdom warriors right now, me not talk uno. The viewers them will go around and listen to the labor right. Uno go and do uno research. Them are telling lies. Them are tell big fat like me can't believe it. My wisdom warriors. If I hear the people, them are spread propaganda. That's all them do a lie. Lie. I don't know why they're doing that. And it's me really pity them. Me really pity them, you know. Seriously, me really pity them. Me can't believe. Mark Golding said from last year. Let me pull up this. Me gonna say because John know. Me know some people stay so. My wisdom warriors. It came out in the article. Look, September the 17th, 2023 at 8:06 p.m. Mark Golding says, no republic without CCJ, without Caribbean Court of Justice as final appellate court. This is what Mark Golding said. So when on the labor right there on the platform, on need to talk truth and stop spread propaganda. Stop spread propaganda. On need to stop it. Talk truth. You understand? Anytime nobody say nothing to you, the first thing gonna jump up and talk about I throw a PNP and this and that. And if you stop it, man. And if you stop tell lie. Mark Golding have no problem with Jamaica being republic. Him say if we not gonna be republic, yeah? Be republic with the CCJ. Remove the Privy Council. Why you no want wait? No, and nobody can trust Andrew Holness. You hear what I say? Nobody can trust Andrew Holness. And this can't be done through no referendum. You understand me? It have to do now. It have to do now. So you have to stop tell lie, man. You lie just like you master. Seriously. You have to stop it. You have to tell truth. And you no mean Jamaican people well. You no mean Jamaican people well. You go and do the research. You own a research. And no for you host a dunce bat. No for you host on TikTok. Labor right platform where they on TikTok. You dunce bat. Because you make people come and teach foolishness. You need to go do your own research. Go get some knowledge before you come out. You have to go get knowledge, man, before you come out on the platform and chat shit and spread lies. You have to stop it, man. Seriously. My wisdom warriors now. Remember, Mark Golding came out from last year. And Mark Golding said, no republic without the CCJ. It make more sense. Why the Privy Council? Why the Privy Council? People can't afford Privy Council. So the CCJ make more sense. You understand me? So Mark Golding is doing the right thing. So when I hear some labor right platform talking and telling lies, say it's true because Mark Golding don't want to move away from his people. Lie. The only person who want to remove from the British is Andrew Holness because he's a part of the Privy Council. On a dopey bat, and that on to look into. Seriously. Mighty God of Daniel, I cannot believe they're telling so much lies go so low. Look what Andrew Holness do to the country. Look how Andrew Holness treat on a shit house. Look how Andrew Holness treat on you. On a labor right, on a say on the things that PNP alone get bad treatment. The Jamaican people me are talking now. Look how Andrew Holness deal with Jamaican people. Andrew Holness, Jamaica was the only country where people are dead like fly. And Andrew Holness I charge them all $200,000 Jamaican dollar for mask. You hear what I say? And only things that Andrew Holness love you know. Hey, you know so someone if you go away. You know so someone if you go away and if you lift up. Because you don't know what is going on. Because you die-hearted. You just come out with this die-hearted mentality. You look stupid. Well, me tell you what them do, my wisdom warriors. They only attack the part where Mark Golding said he don't want Jamaica to be republic. That's it. They not attacking the next part, you know. They not attack the next part. And the little idiot them now, I talk about they can change over at a later date. You can't change over at no later date. No, you have to do it now. Bright and out of order. On the bright, sir. Don't smart. On the bright, so. On the talk in all intellectual and intelligent. But on the dance. And on the lie. On the stop it, man. On the stop it full time now. My wisdom warriors, on the tell me what to think about this. On the know Mark Golden is standing up for the people. Mark Golden is standing up for the Jamaican people. Right now, him and his team alone, I say stand up for the Jamaican people. I want to not take in this.
The National Party has always made it clear that in their opinion, if we are going to have decolonization, it has to be full decolonization. You can't just step halfway out of the house, like how you can't be half pregnant.
Right.
You needed to leave the monarchy and also leave the King's Court, because the Privy Council is the King's Court. Now, people are behaving as though this is one shocking decision which has been taken. But the party leader made it very clear that he was not going to be a part of this process unless the decision to have the CCJ, ascension to the CCJ, be part of phase 2, unless that be moved up to phase 1. And he said it at the annual conference in September last year.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Donna Matley say? Wanna hear what she say? So, I don't know why Marin Mal Fort and Andrew Owners come out and go on like say, them not like say, Mark Golden not tell them for a long time. Mark Golden said the time is now, yes, for Jamaica to be a republic. So when me hear the Labour right them on the platform, only I play that part and I make it look like say, Mark Golden not tell lies. Una fi stop it. Una tell lies. Una fi talk the full story, man. Talk the full story. You understand? Andrew Owners don't want to leave the Privy Council because he's a part of it. And that don't fi talk about. That don't talk about Andrew Owners get paid, you know. He thinks that this Privy Council free. Andrew Owners I get over 4 million. A whole heap of money Andrew Owners I get, you know. A year. Me tell you that. You think Andrew Owners want left that? So someone have to go, man, and stop spread propaganda. You have to stop spread propaganda, man. It is not nice. You know, fool, you know. Uno see everything what this man do to Uno. And Uno still and guess what? Guess what? The people them what up on the ground. Me can't believe them either. Come on. Me can't believe Uno. Me lose off of Uno. This is the way Andrew Honest deal with Uno, brother. Mighty God of Daniel. So I want my wisdom warriors. I want to know if you understand. Say Mark Golden don't have a problem for Jamaica to go republic. But there's rules and regulations, there's policies and procedures you have to follow. And what he's saying, if Jamaica go republic, he wants the best for the children, them future. He want the best for Jamaica. So if them go republic, he want them to remove the Privy Council too and bring everything over to the CCJ, to the Caribbean Court of Justice. Which is right. Nothing wrong with that. And he also go on him say, the referendum thing, this thing cannot do through referendum. You understand? So do it now. Remember, you know, remember what Donna Matley said. Remember, say Privy Council is the King's Court. So why Andrew Ownless wants to listen, remember we not gain independence, you know. If you know wise, you know, we know that, you know. We not gain independence. When somebody gain independence, there's no attachment. Nobody now watch over your country. So really and truly, we not gain independence. Right now, when we want try to gain little independence now, fully independent, Marin Mal Fort want stop it. Still for be and wait, one thing. When them still there with the Privy Council, a whole heap of procedure them have to follow same way, you know. A whole heap of procedure and them still are going to have talk over Jamaica and that Mark Golden try to explain to the dopey back them. But I don't children die-hearted. Mr. Die-hearted, I go kill them, you see? Yes, man, die-hearted, I go kill them. Mighty God. Me can't believe this. But my wisdom warriors, there is more to it, you know. Because I say, whole heap of thing come out in the article. But you know, tell me what you think. This is a part one of it. Tell me what you think. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. Guys, while una like up the video, share it out, and subscribe, una run over to my TikTok, run over to my IG, follow me, the link I got there in the comment section. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.